Welcome to TechTutorials YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cancel Canva billing. How to cancel your Canva subscription. All you have to do, go to Canva, log in using your email address and password or Google, however you used to sign up, and then simply go to settings on the top. As you can see, also you can click here, and actually setting is right here. Also right here you can click on settings, and then on the left side you should see billing, and here you can see my billing connected. All I am going to be doing, depending on the billing, you can either just click here or cancel the plan, and also you can actually disconnect. I would also disconnect this if there's any option, but if you cancel, then most probably they're not going to be charging anymore. So simply I'm going to be doing this cancel, and then continue cancellation. Just select anything and then cancel. Now they're actually giving you 50% off Canva Pro for 3 months, but if you want to cancel, you still just hit cancel, and then your subscription will be canceled. I hope this video is helpful. Please leave me in the comment. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to save your time by quickly giving solutions to tech related fraud issues. Thanks for watching.